student, today we start in 9th standard, second topic work and energy. So last lecture we discussed what is work and example based on work. So in this lecture we also study on the basis of concept work. So what is work? Just recall the last lecture concept. Work is said to be done when a force apply on an object, it causes a displacement. When a force apply on object, it causes a displacement. So it is said to be a work. So it is said to be work. Work means क्या होता है? कोई भी ऑब्जेक्ट पे हमने फोर्स अप्लाई किया, उसकी वजह से वो ऑब्जेक्ट डिस्प्लेस हो गया, मीन्स फर्स्ट पोजीशन से सेकेंड पोजीशन, तो वो हो गया displacement. So means when a force apply on object, it causes a displacement, it is called as work. It is called as work. Means this is a wooden block. This is a wooden block. So this is wooden block, block A. We apply a force on this direction. This wooden block changes this original place and इस पहली जगह पे A पॉइंट से B पॉइंट तक पास हो गया, तो इस फोर्स की वजह से ये क्या हो गया? डिस्प्लेस हो गया. ये क्या हो गया? डिस्प्लेस. तो ये क्या होता है? वर्क होता है. फॉर एक्झाम्पल वर्क, वर्क मीन्स काम. तर कामाची डेफिनेशन काय? कोणत्या पण ऑब्जेक्टला आपण फोर्स अप्लाय केला, तर एक वस्तू त्या ठिकाणाहून दुसऱ्या ठिकाणी पोहोचली, तिला काय म्हणतो आपण? काम म्हणतो. नेक्स्ट, so work equation W which is equal to F into S. F means force and S means displacement. So force apply on same direction and also displacement also apply on this direction. So equation will be W which is equal to F into S. F means force into displacement. But for example, this is a cube. So we apply a force on this direction. We apply on force this direction, or for this cube change this direction on this side. So force on this side and also displacement on this side. So equation is W into F into S. But a girl, this is a girl, and this girl pull a toy. This girl pull a toy, but force is applied on this direction. Force is applied on this direction and displacement occur on this direction. Means between force and displacement angle created. So this angle created is known as theta. This is geometrical concept, trigonometry. So trigonometry says that means this is angle created और F का ये स्मॉल पार्ट F1 यहाँ पे हो गया, तो ये फोर्स अलग डायरेक्शन से हो रहा है, डिस्प्लेसमेंट अलग डायरेक्शन पे, तो यहाँ पे क्या हो गई? डायरेक्शन चेंज हो गई, यहाँ पे डायरेक्शन चेंज हो गई, तो यहाँ पे क्या होगा? इक्वेशन W which is equal to F1, W which is equal to F1 into S, F1 into S. So on last lecture we find out the value of F1. So value of F1 which is equal to F cos theta into S, F cos theta into S. So equation we get F cos theta, means on rearranging this equation we get F s cos theta, F s cos theta. So this is equation for the calculate the amount of work. This is equation for calculate the amount of work done, force on different direction and displacement on different direction. So next we discuss positive work done, negative work done or zero work done. Positive work done, negative work done or zero work done. So in last lecture we have to find out positive work done means W which is equal to Fs. W which is equal to Fs. So this is positive work done. Next, this value equation is 0. So this is 0 work done. And next, W which is equal to minus Fs means this is negative work done. This is negative work done. So these values is depend upon the value of theta. This value is depends upon the value of theta. So next we discuss the unit of work. So first expression is W means work which is equal to force into displacement. So in SI system means system international unit, and in CGS system centimeter gram second. In SI system and in CGS system. So we find out the amount of work done in SI system and in CGS system. So in SI system, so force is measured in Newton. So force is measured in Newton, and displacement is measured in meter, and displacement is measured in meter. Force is measured in Newton and displacement is measured in meter. So this unit of force in Newton, force measured in Newton and displacement measured in meter. So combination of means Newton per meter. So this is called as joule. So this is called as joule. Means definition, in SI system the unit of force is Newton and the unit of displacement is meter. So unit of force is Newton meter. So this is called as joule. Means W. Force in SI system Newton and displacement meter. So together force displacement in 1 Newton and object displacement. If a force of 1 Newton displaces an object 1 meter, so this is called a joule. So this is called a joule. Means 1 Newton. Force is displaced in 1 Newton and displaces object in 1 meter. So this unit is called as 1 joule. So 1 joule which is equal to 1 Newton into 1 meter. 1 Newton which is into 1 meter. So 1 Newton into 1 meter is which is equal to 1 joule in SI system. In SI system. So it also can be represented as 1 J. Joule represented capital J. 1 Newton means 1 N into meter means 1 M. Into meter means 1 M. But in CGS system, force is measured in dyne Na, and displacement is measured in centimeter. In CGS system, how to calculate work done? So force is measured in dyne and displacement is measured in centimeter. So if a force 1 dyne object displaces in 1 centimeter. So together we call as arc. So together we call as this is work done in 1 arc. Means W which is equal to F into S. But in CGS system 1 dyne into 1 centimeter. So together we call as 1 arc. Together we call as 1 arc. So 1 arc which is equal to 1 dyne into 1 centimeter. So how to find out the relationship between arc and joule? So how to find out the relationship between arc and joule? So we this CGS system write down in downward direction. So 1 earth which is equal to 1 dyne into 1 centimeter. So next we find out the relationship between joule and earth. For work done, calculating the relationship between joule and work. So we know that 1 Newton which is equal to 10 raised to 5 Dyne. 1 Newton which is equal to 10 raised to 5 Dyne. 1 Newton which is equal to 10 raised to 5 Dyne, and 1 meter is equal to 10 raised to 2 centimeter. 10 raised to 2 centimeter. So this is value put up in equation. First means W which is equal to F into S, means W means work which is equal to force into displacement. So W which is equal to force into displacement. So force which is equal to 1 Newton into S in SI system 1 meter. So 1 Newton which is equal to 10 raised to 5 Dyne, and 1 meter is 1 meter which is equal to 10 raised to 2 centimeter. So next 10 raised to 5 into 10 raised to 2. 10 raised to 5 Dyne into 10 raised to 2 centimeter. So according to laws of indices, next equation according to laws of indices means a raised to m into a raised to n. According to laws of indices, we adding the power of m plus n, means a is common and add the power of m plus n. So 10 10 means a, 10 and 10 is considered as value of a, and m means 5 and n means 2. So next equation 10 raised to 5 plus 2 and unit Dyne centimeter. So 10 raised to 5 plus 2 means 10 raised to 7 Dyne centimeter. So this is value of 1 joule. So this is value of 1 joule. So this is value of 1 joule which is equal to 10 raised to 7 Dyne centimeter, means this is equal to 1 earth. So 1 joule which is equal to 10 raised to 7 earth. So this is relationship between joule and earth. So this is final relationship between joule and earth. 1 joule which is equal to 10 raised to 7. This is the unit of work. So next we discuss positive, negative and zero work. So what is positive, negative and zero work? If force and displacement apply in same direction, force and displacement are in same direction, so theta which is equal to 0 degree. So work done by a force which is in positive in direction. Next, second condition, force and displacement are in opposite direction. Force and displacement are in opposite direction when angle theta which is equal to 180 degree. So work done by a force which is equal to negative, means work done, it says that negative direction. Next, force and displacement are perpendicular to each other. So theta which is equal to 90 degree and work done by a force which is 0 direction, means work done is 0. So next we discuss with the help of example. So first example, pushing a stall vehicle, means for example this is a person and this is a stall vehicle. So this person forces are this direction and displacement force is applied on this direction and displacement also in same direction. So force and displacement are in same direction. So work done is in positive direction. Next, catching a ball which your friend has thrown towards you. Catching a ball at which your friend has thrown towards you means, for example, this is you and this is your friend. So first, this is you and this is your friend. So this ball means catching a ball. This is your friend. So this friend, catch means throw the ball on your side. Throw the ball on your side. So this ball is come out in on this direction, on this direction, and your hand on this direction. So force on this side and displacement on this side. So force and displacement are opposite direction. Force on this side and displacement on this side. So force and displacement are in opposite direction. So this is negative work. So this is negative. This is positive work done. And this is negative work done. Next, third example, tying a stone to one end of a string and swinging it round and round by other end of a string. For example, this is you, and when you tie a stone on a string, when you tie a stone on this, so this is stone. So stone means swinging on this direction on circular way, on circular way. So this is perpendicular to each other. Force and displacement are perpendicular to each other, means force on this direction and displacement on this direction. So this is form a 90-degree angle. So this is form on 90-degree angle. So force and displacement are perpendicular to each other and theta, which is equal to 90 degree. So this is work done, 0 work done. So this is 0 work. Next, fourth example, walking up down in staircase. Or next example, climbing a tree. So this is in same direction. Force in this direction and displacement also this direction. Force and displacement are in same direction. So this is work done is positive. So work done is positive. And last example, stopping a moving car by applying brake. So this is a car. So this is a car. So force apply on this direction and displacement apply on this direction. So this is opposite direction. So work done is opposite direction. So theta is equal to 180 degree and work done is negative work. So work done is negative work. I hope you understand this positive, negative and 0. These three conditions of force and distance are in same direction. So theta, which is equal to same direction. So this is form angle like this. So this is form angle like this. So this is 0 degree angle. So this is work done is positive. Next, force and displacement. Force and displacement is 180 opposite direction. Now means forcing on this side and displacement on this side. So this is form an angle 180 degree. So this is negative angle. And force on this side and displacement on this side. So this form an angle 90 degree. So this is work done is 0. This is positive, negative and 0 work done. Next we take activity. Activity, take a plastic cup and make a hole in the center of bottom. Take a long thread, double it and pass it through the hole. Tie a thick enough knot at the end of so that knot will not pass through this hole, and taking a care that two loose ends are below the bottom of the cup, and tie knot in each of these two ends as shown in figure. Now do as following. In figure A, put a cup on a table, keep one of the nuts in the cup and let the thread carrying the other nut hang down along the side. And what will be happen? What does the cup get pulled? Means in figure A, we say that means in this cup यहाँ पे 2 होल हमने किए और यहाँ पे क्या किया है, ये 2 होल से हमने ये थ्रेड ऐसे लिया है और और ये एक थ्रेड पे हमने यहाँ पे ऐसे लेकर यहाँ पे ये थ्रेड ये ऐसे नीचे खिला ही छोड़ दिया और नीचे इसको क्या कर दिया, ये नट है मतलब स्टोन है और ये स्टोन बांध लिया है। तो ये स्टोन की डायरेक्शन, ये फोर्स यहाँ पे इस नेगेटिव मीन्स डाउनवर्ड डायरेक्शन में लगा। तो ये डिस्प्लेसमेंट ऑल्सो किस डायरेक्शन में हो रही है, ऐसे नीचे वाली डायरेक्शन मीन्स फोर्स भी इस डायरेक्शन और डिस्प्लेसमेंट भी इस डायरेक्शन। तो यहाँ पे कौन सा एंगल हो रहा है, ये 0 डिग्री एंगल हो रहा है। ये फोर्स इस डायरेक्शन और यहाँ पे डिस्प्लेसमेंट इस डायरेक्शन। तो ये थीटा विच इज इक्वल टू 0 डिग्री, थीटा विच इज इक्वल टू 0 डिग्री मीन्स दिस इज अ पॉजिटिव वर्क डन। सो दिस इज अ पॉजिटिव वर्क डन मीन्स ये स्टोन फोर्स अप्लाई करके नीचे खींच रहा है, तो ये कर्व भी क्या होगा, ये डिस्प्लेस होके नीचे की डायरेक्शन में आ रहा है। तो थीटा यहाँ पे 0 डिग्री। तो ये पॉजिटिव वर्क डन हुआ, ये पॉजिटिव। इन फिगर बी वी से दैट मीन्स this stone force apply on downward direction and curve also get downward direction, but यहाँ पे एक हमने रूलर रख दी तो ये डिस्प्लेसमेंट ये हो रहा है इच डायरेक्शन। तो फोर्स एंड डिस्प्लेसमेंट आर इन अपोजिट डायरेक्शन। यहाँ पे ये फोर्स यहाँ इस डायरेक्शन और यहाँ पे ये डिस्प्लेसमेंट ऑन इस डायरेक्शन। तो यहाँ पे ये 180 डिग्री एंगल क्रिएट कर रहा है। तो थीटा विच इज इक्वल टू 180 डिग्री। सो इट इज negative work done. So it is negative work done. Next third example. So third example में हमने दोनों ही तरफ से स्टोन लगा दिया है। तो स्टोन की वजह से यह यहाँ पे क्या कर रहा है, इस डायरेक्शन पे ये फोर्स डाउनवर्ड ऑन दिस साइड एंड फोर्स डाउनवर्ड ऑन दिस साइड। तो ये कब बीच में जैसा है वैसा हो गया। तो यहाँ पे ये एंगल हो गया 90 डिग्री, ये एंगल 90 डिग्री। तो ये ऐसे परपेंडिकुलर मीन्स ऑन डाउनवर्ड डायरेक्शन ये परपेंडिकुलर हो रहा है। यहाँ पे हमारा ये कप है और यहाँ पे फिर हमने थ्रेड बन के यहाँ पे ये स्टोन है। तो यहाँ पे फोर्स ऑन दिस डायरेक्शन डाउनवर्ड डायरेक्शन और ये फोर्स ऑन डाउनवर्ड डायरेक्शन। तो डिस्प्लेसमेंट यहाँ पे मीन्स सेम जगह पे रहेगा। तो यहाँ पे ये 90 डिग्री हो रहा है, यहाँ पे ये 90 डिग्री मीन्स थीटा कितना हो रहा है, ये 90 डिग्री। सो इट विल बी 0 वर्क डन। So ये 0 work. So this concept clear on this example means force on same direction. So ये theta 0 degree. So positive work done. Next theta means force एक तरफ से और displacement अलग तरफ से। तो opposite direction हो रही है तो theta 180 degree. So negative work done apply. And next force on downward direction but displacement means theta perpendicularly. फोर्स एक तरफ से और डिस्प्लेसमेंट एक तरफ से। तो यहाँ पे परपेंडिकुलर हो रहा है। सो 90 डिग्री एंगल क्रिएट कर रहा है। तो ये 0 वर्क डन होगा। सो दिस इज कंसेप्ट ऑफ वर्क, पॉजिटिव, नेगेटिव एंड 0 वर्क डन। नेक्स्ट we see the example. Calculate the work done to take an object of mass 20 kilogram to a height 10 meter. So यहाँ पे मास m हो गया 20 किलोग्राम, m 20 kilogram and height means displacement which is equal to 10 meter. Displacement which is equal to 10 meter and calculate the work done means W. So W formula, W which is equal to force into displacement. So first we find out the force. So force which is equal to ma. So a means acceleration due to gravity. So g value gravity is 9.8 meter per second square. 9.8 meter per second square. Gravity value 9.8 meter per second square. So F means mass into acceleration. So A replaced by gravity means mg. So m is 20 kilogram and g means 9.8 meter per second square. But gravity means force in opposite direction and displacement in opposite direction. So we take a minus 9.8 meter per second square. This negative sign indicates that force is in opposite side. Force means displacement is opposite displacement is in opposite direction and force in opposite direction. Force is opposite direction of displacement. So this is answer 20 into minus 98. 20 into minus 9.8. Multiplication 8 0 the 0, 8 2 the 16. Next 9 0 the 0, 9 2 the 18. So we get 0, 6, 1 plus 8, 9 and 196 and decimal point 1. So we get 196. So F, which is equal to minus 196 minus 196 and force unit is Newton. So we get a force which is equal to minus 196 Newton. So we find out the work done. So work which is equal to F into S. F means force and displacement S. So F is minus 196 and displacement means height. So it is 10 meter. So minus 196 into 10, 1960. So work done which is calculated the unit of joule. So which is calculated the unit of joule. So this is our final work done answer. And negative sign indicates that the work done in opposite direction. Negative sign indicates that direction of force in opposite direction and displacement. The negative sign indicates that force is in opposite direction of displacement. So this is work done in negative direction. So work done in negative direction. So first we give one value mass 20 kilogram and we calculated work done, and height means displacement 10 meter. And first we find out the force. So force which is equal to m into a. So acceleration replaced by gravity. So gravity which is in opposite direction. So indicated in minus sign. So 20 into minus 9 will get 196. So we put up this value and calculate the work done. So work done which is equal to minus 1960 and unit of work done in joule. So negative sign indicate the force is opposite direction of displacement and work done. So negative sign indicate work done is in negative direction. So I hope you understand this concept of work done. Work means positive work done, negative work done and zero. If you have any queries, so ask me in group. Thank you.